Assalamu alaikum 7th class. Hope you are all fine. Subject Computer Science, Unit number 5, Introduction to Programming Languages. Yesterday we have learnt about a computer program and algorithm. A computer program or just program is a sequence of instructions written to perform a specified task on the computer. Sequence of instructions is written according to the algorithm. An algorithm is a set of finite steps that are followed in order to write a program to solve mathematical problems or to complete a computer process. Today we are going to start topic number 5.2, Types of Programming Languages. Programming languages are one of the types of computer software. There are many different computer languages available for writing programs. Each has its advantages and weaknesses. A language that is practically well suited for one application may not be work for another. A programming language is a vocabulary or set of grammatical rules for instructions a computer or computing device to perform specific tasks. The term programming languages usually refers to high-level languages such as BASIC, C, C++, COBOL, etc. Each programming language has a unique set of keywords, words that it understands, and a special syntax for organizing program instructions. Every language has its own advantages and some disadvantages, and it's not compulsory that a language that is practically well suited for one application may be work for another too. Basically, there are two types of computer languages: low-level languages and high-level languages. 5.2.1 Low-level languages. Low-level languages is a programming language that deals with computers' hardware components. It may also be referred to as a computer's native language. Low-level languages are considered to be closer to computers. In other words, their prime function is to operate, manage, and manipulate the computing components. Programs and applications written in low-level language are directly executable on the computer without any translation. A low-level language is a type of programming language that contains basic instructions recognized by a computer. Unlike high-level languages used by software developer, low-level code is often cryptic and non-human readable. Low-level language is not directly understandable by the human, so it is also called as a computer's native language. And programs and applications that are written in low-level languages are directly executable on the computer without any translation. The two popular examples of low-level languages are machine language and assembly language. We will learn about these two popular examples in detail in the next lectures. Now move to the exercise. Today we are going to cover question number 5, 6 and 10. Question number 5 is name the two types of computer languages. Its answer is on page number 116. There are two types of computer languages: low-level languages and high-level languages. Next question is question number 6. What are low-level languages? Its answer is on page number 116. Low-level language is a programming language that deals with computers' hardware components. It may also be referred to as a computer's native language. Question number 10. Give two examples of low-level languages. Its answer is also on page number 116. The two popular examples of low-level languages are machine language and assembly language. You have to learn these three questions, 5, 6 and 10. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.